What's good, everybody? Time for a DL short. Hey, man, have you guys heard 2024 YR4 is coming? What is that, you ask? It's a big space rock, and it's going to hit Earth probably in 7 years. 7 years, right? Think about that. I think it's 3032 is supposed to hit, something like that. Maybe 3034. I think it's 7 years. So, yeah, I think it's 7 years. So, wow. What does it mean for us? Should we panic? What's going on? Should we not panic? What are we going to do? I first saw this story about 3 weeks ago. I watch a lot of space stuff, a lot of NASA stuff. Some of it is just people, making clickbait, and, you watch a hour program. They don't really talk about anything. But this one, this one's true. This one's true. There's a rock they found in 2024, and science says that it's going to hit us. They say the size of this thing is, they call it a city killer. So I guess the size of this rock would be big enough to destroy a city. I forget the type of, how big the explosion would be, and, the equivalent in megatons and all that, but big enough to destroy a city. And right now they say the current track is supposed to hit somewhere in Africa, probably like Lagos or something like that. Of course, that's going to change over the next, 5 to 7 years before the rock actually gets here. I want to say the scientists have stated that there's a 2% chance that this rock will impact Earth. Again, those numbers are going to go up or down. So I just wanted to throw it out there, man. Has anyone heard about this? And a lot of folks are like, well, what can we do about it? Not a whole lot we can do right now. I know that science is coming up with ways to nudge these stellar bodies, these rocks, out of the way, put them on a different track. The problem is, maybe we nudge it one way or the other and it doesn't hit us in 7 years, but maybe it hits us in 70 years. Or, a lot of times it's like a really big asteroid or something. Well, let's blow it up. Let's make that really big asteroid, like 5 smaller asteroids on different tracks. We could hit them. It's just crazy. And this has always been an issue for planet Earth. This is, Jupiter normally catches all of the strays, so like the comets and all that. We got those gas giants in the outer atmosphere, in the outer solar system, that will normally catch all of the big things. But man, these smaller rocks, man, that come from the asteroid belt, or maybe they get knocked around in the Kuiper belt, and they somehow zoom in, they miss Saturn, they miss Jupiter, and they get into the inner solar system, and they become issues for Earth, Venus, Mars. It is what it is. One day, well, not one day, every day, I bet you every day we get hit by something. Most of the stuff probably burns up in the atmosphere. We know a big rock destroyed the dinosaurs. So, hey, man, it's going to happen one day, one way or another. Science is going to keep doing what science does, and it's going to come a time where, we might have to leave this planet because a really big rock might come smash into it. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about it. Put it in the comments below. I'm definitely going to continue to keep my eye on this as we get closer to the impact date. But yeah, man, 2024 YR4 is headed for Earth. It's a city killer. What are we going to do? People keep saying send the asteroid. Well, the asteroid's on its way. All right. So you guys think on that for a while, man. I'm going to talk to you later. I'm DL Saint. Peace.